Hello, good morning, students. Welcome to your geography class with the very first chapter India, Size and Location. In this chapter, we will talk about India's size and location. So, before coming to the point, we must know the some interesting facts related to the India. India is one of the ancient civilizations in the world. It has achieved multifaceted socio-economic progress during the last 5 decades. It has moved forward, displaying remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, industry, technology, and overall economic development. It has also contributed significantly to the entire nation. In this chapter, we will talk about India's location, its size, India and the world, and its neighbor. Clear? First of all, we will talk about the location. India entirely lies in the northern hemisphere between the latitude 8 degrees 4 minutes north and 37 degrees 6 minutes north and longitudes 68 degree 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east. It is divided by the Tropic of Cancer in almost two equal halves. In southeast, Andaman Nicobar Islands lie in the Bay of Bengal, and in the southwest, we have Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. Now, see the location of India in the world. It is located central or at the middle of the world, which is very, very beneficial from the point of business or international trade. Because we all know that India had a very good trade relations to the European markets as well as with the Southeast Asian countries. So, how it is possible? It is all possible because India lies at the center of the world, and this location plays an important role, having the good trade relations with the East as well as with the West. Now we will see other things. Total areas of India is 3.8 million square kilometer, which is about 2.4% of the total areas of the world. It is the seventh largest country in the world in terms of land mass. It has land boundary about 15,200 kilometer, and the total length of the coastal line of the mainland, including both the islands, is 7,516.6 kilometer. In the northwest, the north and the northeast of India, Youngfold Mountains bounds it in the form of the Great Himalayas. South of about 22 degree north latitude, India narrows and finally extends toward the Indian Ocean. It also divides it into two seas, the Arabian Sea on the west and Bay of Bengal in the east. Because India is lying toward the Indian Ocean, that is why our country, India, also got its name India, or you can say Indian Ocean is named after India because of this large coastal area. Now, see the longitudinal and the latitudinal distances as well as in degrees. See, from east to west, when you see the map, we have the distance of 2,933 kilometers. Clear? Now from north to south, if we see the distance, then we have 3,214 kilometers. And at the center of the country, the standard meridian passes, which is at Mirzapur nearby Allahabad. The latitudinal and the longitudinal extent. So latitudinal and the longitudinal extension of India is about 30 degree. It means from this area to this area, from north to east, we have at least altogether 30 longitudes. India's east-west extent appears to be smaller than the north-south extent. The time along the standard meridian passing through Mirzapur in UP is taken as the Indian standard time for the entire nation to avoid the confusion regarding the time. The time gap between Arunachal Pradesh in the east and Gujarat present in the west is about 2 hours. The latitudinal extent influences the duration of the day and night as one moves from north to south. Now we will see the India and the world along with its neighboring country. India is located in the center of the world between East and the West Asia. The routes across the Indian Ocean which connect the countries of Europe in the west as well as to the countries of the east provide a strategic central location to India. The Deccan Peninsular India helps to establish the close contact with the West Asia, Africa and Europe from the western coast and with the Southeast and East Asian countries with the eastern coastal plains. The ocean, which ocean? I'm talking about the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean, which is south of India, is named after our country because of its long coastal line. Clear? I think I had repeated this thing. So, no issue. I don't think if you have any issue in repeating the things, please don't mind. India is the 7th largest country in terms of land masses. The first one is Russia, second one Canada, third USA, fourth China, fifth Brazil, sixth Australia, and seventh our country. India is comprised of 29 states and 7 union territories. Now this number has been changed. Now the state of Jammu Kashmir is converted into 2 union territories. Clear? So the number of union territories are increased and the number of the states are decreased, and share its land boundary with northwest Pakistan and Afghanistan, north China, Nepal and Bhutan, and in the east we are sharing the land boundary with Myanmar and Bangladesh, and toward the south we have Sri Lanka and Maldives. Through map also you can easily, here, see Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, China, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka and Maldives. That's all in this video. Stay at home and stay safe.